Hi there, students. Cement. I'm sure you all know about cement as the thing that you use to mix with sand and water to make buildings, to stick bricks together or to make a floor. Yes, cement is made of a mixture of calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide, and it goes hard. But how about to cement as a verb? Yeah, to cement, to join things together, to attach two things firmly. So I cemented the agreement by giving him a down payment, a deposit. Yeah, so if you cement an agreement or you cement a relationship, you make it very unlikely that anything is going to change. They cemented their friendship by going out for a drink together. Yeah, the cement of the love between two people. Okay, so cement here, to cement, to join together. Yeah, to unite firmly. So the bonds that cement our family together, or to cement, to make permanent. This cemented the situation, made the situation permanent so that it was not going to change. Yeah, to settle, to establish firmly. The two companies cemented an agreement, yeah, to fix it, yeah, to make something, to make it fixed, to unite, to make firm, as if by cement, yeah. The years of experience that he had cemented his role as leader of the group. Yeah. So to cement, to become cemented, to become fixed, to become something that's not going to change. So their relationship was cemented by all the things that had gone before. Yeah, to cement a friendship. Yeah, to cement a bond between two countries. I would guess that the relationship between the US and the UK is cemented by the fact that we both speak English. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just imagining things. But to cement something that cements a relationship, it makes it stronger. So trade between countries cements the friendship between countries. Yeah, the cement of a relationship is something that makes it stronger, that makes it more lasting. So good communication between partners is something that cements a marriage. It's the cement that holds the marriage together. Let's see, in our modern life, I think maybe social media are one of the important cements of society. Yeah. Notice as well, you can use cement to talk about glue. Yeah, to glue two things together. So very often you'll find glue actually referred to as cement. You need to cement the two surfaces one to another using an epoxy glue to attach, to join, to bond, to fix together. Okay, so to cement. Yeah, this is a good word for you to use. And well, it's certainly an interesting one. Okay, so let's see. Formality, to cement a relationship. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. And let's see. As to origin, there's a Latin word, Mentum, stones from a quarry. Yeah, stone chips for making mortar, because I think the Romans were started using at least some types of Portland cement. From kaido, to cut. Okay, and then formality, I would give this, yeah, I'm going to give it a 5. Use it anywhere. So see if you can cement this vocabulary into your English. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cement.